Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a petite clothing try-on from Short Story. I love my Short Story boxes. If you don't know what this is, if you're new to my channel, this is basically like Stitch Fix. You take a quiz, you get a stylist, and then they send you a box of clothing that they think you will love based on your sizes and your clothing preferences. I do have a referral link if you want to give this company a try. I think you get $20 and then I get $20. This is a very affordable company. I would say very on par with Stitch Fix. Probably cheaper than Stitch Fix. Last month I did do a comparison between Short Story and Stitch Fix for petite women if you want to go back and watch that video to get an idea of if you think this box would be a good box for you. This is for women 5'4" or under. I always say I'm 4'10" on a good hair day, so I definitely qualify for this box. So let me go ahead, I want to bust into it and I want to show you what they sent me this month. Let me grab my scissors. I always try to be prepared and I'm always forgetting something. So I feel like they sent me a lot more clothing this month. I feel like they've only been sending me like 4 pieces, maybe 5 pieces each month. But this month it just seemed like they sent me a lot for whatever reason. So this is how the inside looks. Let me show you without everything falling out. So as soon as you open it, you will get a personalized pamphlet, and you also have the prices of everything on the back. They also do give you a prepaid mailer, so whatever you decide not to keep, you just put it in that mailer and send it on back. So here in the subscription community on YouTube, we call this the burrito. Let me show you why. So when you get your little bundle in these boxes, it just looks like a burrito. So here is what mine looks like. That's that side. And here's this side as well. You guys that have been watching me for a while, y'all may notice I'm in a completely different area filming this today. I got a comment on my last video, which I 100% agree with. They said it was really hard to watch my unboxing because you couldn't see my full body. It probably cut out like a little bit lower than my, probably lower than my knees or right above my ankles. Anyway, it didn't show the full thing. So I'm in my office. You guys know I run an eBay store. I actually sell used clothing. That's what this is behind me. I cleared out a whole wall, so I'm hoping these try-on videos are better this time. You guys leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me show you what they sent me. For those of y'all who have been watching me for a while, you're probably already going to guess right away what I'm going to keep. I feel like my viewers probably could style a box for me because I do have a very specific style. I bet you guys could style me if you wanted to. Okay, first up, this is Laila Jayde. I've never heard of that. This feels extremely soft. This is an orange bodysuit. I love a good bodysuit. Orange is my favorite color, and I will tell you with this company, when I cannot remember when I started. I started maybe at least 6 months ago, and I told them in the beginning I love to wear orange and pink, and I'm so happy they listen to me. Every month they send me something orange, my favorite color. Anyways, if you guys know me, you already know I'm most excited about this. I really do think this is going to be one of my favorites. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, this is by the same brand, Laila Jayde. I've never heard of this brand before. And this is just a really casual blue top. I don't know if I need something like this, but of course I'm going to try everything on for you. They did send me a dress, and I think I bought a dress last month, and I've still yet to wear it. So I don't know if it's smart of me to buy another dress. This is cute. So it has like this floral on it. V-neck. This probably is going to hit me at my knees, maybe right below my knees. Oh, they did send me something fun, okay? They sent me like this, it's like a terry cloth set. Ink, Love, and Peace is the brand on this one. So it's basically like a terry cloth 2-piece set. in my favorite color. So this is like a cropped hoodie in that terry cloth material. And then these super adorable shorts. I love that. I think that is so cute. And the last thing they sent me was a pair of denim. I will tell you, I'm looking at my closet right now. I think I have at least 10 pairs of denim. I don't need any more denim. I have a thing about denim. I love denim, and I find myself buying too much denim. These are Liverpool, and it says these are, let's see if they have a style on these. I don't see a style. Whenever I tell you guys like the prices and everything at the end, or maybe when I try them on, we'll go over the style name. The only thing, I do like these. I love how high rise they are. I don't like a cuff. Let's see if it's sewn in. Yeah, it's a sewn in cuff. So because I'm so petite, I feel like the cuff makes me look shorter. But in one video I did, maybe 2 months ago, a try on video, I got a lot of comments about the cuff jeans I put on. You guys said you really liked them. So that was everything Short Story sent me this month. I'm really excited. I love several pieces. Here's hoping I can stay within budget. Let's go ahead, try this stuff on, and see how it looks. All right, I went ahead and put on the two-piece first. So this is Ink, Love, and Peace. This is in the color Chili Pepper. The top is $55 and the bottoms are $30. I thought this was cropped, but it's not. It is full length. It's super comfy. The arms are a little shorter here. I don't know if they're supposed to be more like 3/4 or not. But yeah, super, super comfy little set. I think something I would definitely wear. I don't know if I need it too much. This would definitely be a comfortable outfit to wear just around the house. I could take it thrifting. Here's how it looks tucked in. I kind of think I like how this looks better. You guys let me know what you think about this outfit. All right, we tried the dress on next. This is the Kayla Floral wrap top dress by Muse Petite. This one is $64. I just want to show y'all the colors. I think the colors are really pretty in this one. Kind of same with the sleeve length though. I don't know if my arms, well, I know my arms are short. I don't know if I'm supposed to pull it up. I feel like maybe, I don't know. This is how it looks on one arm down. This is how it looks pulled up, but it does have like a little cinch at the bottom. Let me know if this arm length, if I leave it down all the way, does that look right? So as you can see, this basically comes down to my knees. I'm not crazy about that, you know, like I'm pretty young still. I kind of want to, you know, show a little bit more skin. So this dress is just okay. Maybe a little too modest for me, but it's definitely comfortable, a good price, and something you could wear to church. You could wear it out grocery shopping. Just a really comfortable dress. And I think like a wrap style dress like this, it looks pretty good on every body type. So yeah, maybe if this was a little shorter and came above my knees, I would be a little bit more crazy about it. Yeah, if you're looking for a modest dress, I think this could be it, because this wrap style, it definitely covers everything. There is even an extra modesty snap right here if you wanted to cover even more. But yeah, just not really my style. I just realized there was a hanger on the wall the whole time. I was hanging up stuff there to take pictures for my eBay store, so disregard that. Okay, so the top I'm wearing, this top is called the Aspen Everyday Dolman top in Peacoat. This top is $58. I'm not very crazy about it. I don't really like this look. I just feel like it makes me look bigger. This is kind of why, you guys, I really like to wear like more fitted things, because stuff like this, like, I don't know, I don't think it looks very good on me, so pass on this. Okay, y'all, so I'm actually editing this video and I realized I didn't record the jeans part of the video, even though you see the jeans in the previous clips. So if things look a little different, that's why. These are the Liverpool jeans. They are super stretchy. They don't have a lot of that gapping or anything. Just y'all, this cuff kind of really bothers me. Not really a fan. I feel like it just kind of cuts me off. I don't know. I don't really need any denim, so pass on these. All right, I saved the best for last. I'm definitely buying this one. So this is the Bodysuit. This is by Laila, Jayde, and it's called the Linea Ruched Front Bodysuit in Ginger Spice. This one is $44. This is the second cheapest thing in my box. I absolutely love it. My favorite color is orange. I love the ruching detail right here in the middle. Very slimming. I love a good bodysuit. I like how low cut it is. Yeah, I really like this. It's a shame also on the jeans. Not that I need any more jeans in my life, but I think they look really good with this bodysuit. So you guys, that was everything that came in my short story. You guys let me know what was your favorite outfit. This by far is my favorite thing in the box. I'm going to rewatch this video and see how I feel about the terry cloth two-piece set. That one is also a contender. If you want to try short story and receive $20 off your first purchase, I will leave my referral link down below. Thank you to everybody who has used my referral link in the past. I get $20 each time you guys use that, and it helps me make more of these videos and try on these clothes for you. I greatly appreciate it. Stay tuned. I'm filming a Stitch Fix video right after this one. You're not going to want to miss it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like these kinds of fashion try-on videos. I try to make at least 2 a month, and I will see y'all very soon for a new video. Bye, y'all.